This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how chocolate eclairs are made. First, we'll create the choux pastry, a delicate dough that puffs up beautifully when baked. You'll pipe this dough into oblong shapes, typically around 3 to 5 inches long, onto a baking sheet. As they bake, these pastry logs will expand and become wonderfully hollow, forming the perfect shells for our delicious filling. This initial step is crucial for that classic eclair texture. Next, we prepare the rich pastry cream, also known as crème pâtissière. This involves whisking together ingredients like milk, sugar, egg yolks, and cornstarch. You'll gently cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it transforms into a thick, luscious custard. Once it reaches the desired consistency, it's essential to chill the cream completely. This ensures it's firm and ready to be piped into your cooled eclair shells. Now for the exciting part, filling and glazing. For the glaze, you'll combine melted chocolate with warm cream, often with a touch of corn syrup for that beautiful shine. Once your pastry cream is chilled, carefully poke a small hole into each eclair shell and pipe the cream inside until it's full. Then, dip the top of each filled eclair into the warm, glossy chocolate glaze, allowing any excess to drip off for a clean finish. Finally, let your chocolate eclairs rest, allowing the glaze to set completely. This usually takes about 1 hour at room temperature, or you can speed it up in the refrigerator. For an elegant touch, consider garnishing them with delicate chocolate shavings or a light dusting of cocoa powder. These delightful pastries are best enjoyed fresh. And speaking of fresh, if you want your car to smell amazing, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.